Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can reset the JBL Go Essential. So this is like really simple. So what you want to do is when you're gonna have it turned on, you want to hold the Bluetooth button and the plus button at the same time. So when I'm going to hold it together, automatically it turned off. Maybe you even hear the sound, I don't know. And that meant that right now it got resetted. So I'll just turn it back on. And this is how it's done. So it's super simple, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can reset the JBL Go Essential. If you're gonna have any questions, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.